what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blaze and Bait. We are out here in Lakeview. I figure since my wife is spending some time with her aunt, I might as well do some fishing. It's fall, so this is definitely crappie and saugeye season, and so I've never been on this part of the lake before, and the people that I talked to said there's actually quite a bit of crappies out here right by the docks. We'll give it a shot, see what we can do. I'll talk to you later. How you doing? Doing any good? I've never been out here before, but the people at Lulu's said that around here is a good place to catch crappies. Not bad, how you? Sort of. I got only 400 right now, but blades and bait.
That's all I do is check out fishing.
Right on. I'm new, so I'm just getting back into fishing, and there's blades and bait.
Blades, bait.
Uh-huh.
It's on YouTube though?
Yep. How you doing? I'm Gerald.
Corey, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Doing any good?
What about? Nah, I caught one crappie.
Oh, that's his.
That's it. Where I looking up at? Up here?
Yep. Right on. I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. And we can start things off with using old-fashioned worms. And there's some big, fat, juicy ones here. See if we can catch anything. Ooh, I think something's on it, folks. Yep, there it is. Nope, not yet. Ooh, actually, something just stole my worm. See, that's the problem with using worms, man. They keep stealing it. I've been getting a lot of bites on it, but I'm just not catching it.
Yeah, with the worm?
Yeah. Well, I'll give it a shot out here. I see quite a few fish jump out here. See if we have better luck. Guy I was talking to, who was using a jig, and he caught himself a 22 inch saugeye. That's the one thing I haven't caught in a very long time. Just give it a shot again with using worms, and we'll just go from there. Ooh. Oh, caught something. Wow. There it is. Whoa. Feels heavy. Wow. It's definitely putting up a good fight. I don't know what it is. Whoa. Ooh, nice. There it is. Caught a catfish. Good size. Probably about a couple pounds. we are. Look at them, folks. Good sized catfish. First time out here in Lakeview, Ohio. Caught them on a worm. Good looking catfish too. Easily about maybe a couple pounds. Cool. Not too shabby. There we go. Hey, Bill. Catfish. Probably about 2.5 pounds. Caught it on a worm. Not too shabby. Probably about a 2.5 pound catfish. Look at them, folks. Yeah. Caught them on a worm. There we go.